murder and mutilation cases. A case of murder and mutilation with a suspect Pupun who killed his mother named Annie. The case took place on Wednesday, December 18, 2013 at the victim home in Pasir Gombong village, Cianjur, West Java. The case was revealed because Pupun told the chronology to a neighbor named Iim. Then, Iim and Pupun family report the case to the police station. The murder and mutilation were caused because Pupun had a schizophrenic mental disorder that caused him to hallucinate when the deceased repeated that he saw his enemy named Eddie. He has enemies when working in Borneo.
Schizophrenia is a disease of chronic mental illness which attacks the mind, causes hallucination, delusion, and extreme behavioral change. It is difficult to distinguish between truth and reality.
He hallucinated seeing Eddie figure when his illness recurred, even though that person was his mother. So, when the murder and mutilation were carried out, Pupun was unconscious. The evidence found in this case is the victim body parts that were cut into 6 pieces and a machete. The judge ruled because there was a psychiatric witness who said that the defendant had a mental illness, and in this case the charges were dropped based on Article 44, Paragraph 1 and 2 of the Criminal Code.
Article 44, Paragraph 1. No one could be punished for carrying out an act which would not be answered to him, because his wits were less perfect or ill changed his mind. Article 44, Paragraph 2. If it was obvious that the deed would not be answerable to him for his lack of intelligence or ill change his mind, then the judge could order him to be admitted to a mental hospital for an entire year to be examined. Pupun was not convicted but was put in a mental hospital in the West Java province for 3 months for further treatment.
Can I suggest to government to create mental hospital, especially for people who commit crimes but because of a mental illness? Because the treatment takes time that cannot be predicted and have to be cured, so that when they leave the mental hospital there will be no more problem. And I suggest to the public that if there are people with mental illness in the neighborhood, they can tell their families to undergo a mental hospital treatment to prevent an unwanted occurrence. I am Devika Claretta Angesti. Thank you.